Welcome to Frontier, America's greenest airline. Your flight attendants today from front to back. We have Sergio, Lisa, Kathy, and Angelina in the back. Flying us to Las Vegas today is Captain Andrew and First Officer Timothy. On behalf of your crew and parents and Daisy, the burrowing owls on our tail and wings, we welcome you aboard. Thank you for traveling with us today. In preparation for departure, be sure all carry-on items are stowed under the seat in front of you, and then stretch seats and all tray tables are upright. Make sure your small electronic devices are held or secured in the pocket, back pocket, or carry-on for takeoff. As we care about your safety, please pause the use of electronic devices, remove the safety information card from the seat back pocket, and direct your attention to the flight attendant in the aisle. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To adjust, pull the loose strap and to release, lift the top of the buckle. The seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation slide that inflates automatically when open, and the slides at the forward and rear exit doors may be used as rafts. Red and white signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, keeping in mind they might be behind you. Leave all carry-on belongings should there be an emergency evacuation. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartments throughout the cabin and inside all lavatories. Quickly pull down on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and adjust the fit by pulling on the elastic tabs on the side. Make sure to adjust your mask first before assisting a child or others. Although oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. In the event of a water evacuation, remove the life vest under your seat when instructed to do so by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch, and pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist and insert the end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tight. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vest for small children may be found in the safety information card. An additional life raft is located in the overhead bin. Location and instructions for use of this additional life raft may be found in the safety information card. Also on the safety information card, you'll find instructions for use of the escape line. Escape lines are designed to assist customers evacuating through a window exit and while on the aircraft wing during a water evacuation. They're located in marked overhead bins in the mid-cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all customers to comply with posted placards and lighted signs throughout the cabin as well as crew member instructions. A friendly reminder that smoking is not permitted on any Frontier flight, including the use of vape pens, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin to conduct our final safety checks. Before takeoff, please let us know if you have any questions about the information covered in our safety briefing. Thank you again for choosing Frontier Airlines. We ask that you sit back, relax, and enjoy your 5-hour flight to Las Vegas. Ma'am, your seatbelt is buckled?
Yeah.